In our last video, we showed how Terracon gathers pavement data using advanced imaging and field assessments. Now, let's see how that information becomes strategy. Our technology stack translates raw survey data into meaningful analytics. Artificial intelligence helps identify patterns, score conditions, and prioritize repairs. The footage you see here shows our process in action, how we visualize pavement health, map distress types, and prepare digital reports. These same tools are used across every property sector type nationwide. Andrea explains how Terracon collaborates with clients to create practical, budget-aligned plans, balancing what needs immediate attention with what can be preserved for years ahead.
Our approach empowers clients to explore what-if scenarios, model long-term costs, and make informed decisions that extend pavement life while controlling expenses.
In Part 3, we'll look at the real impact, how data-driven pavement management translates to visible, measurable results.